Mr. Champagne, what happened in court today?
Well, as you observed and heard, the application for bail was made, and we now await the decision of the judge on the 14th of April when we return for our honors ruling.
You mentioned that of 13 video clips or attachments that you received electronically last evening, that one of them was not playable or viewable. Could you just explain on that point and what you were saying in court about coincidentally how that appeared to be?
One has to be mindful at this particular stage because the matter is before the court, not to say too much. But suffice it to say that the clip that we believe would have been most useful for transparency purposes and the direction of this case, unfortunately, we're not able to capture that.
Is there anything that I might ask that you wish to speak of?
No, just to again emphasize the fact that the matter is before the court, allow the court and allow the process to take its course. This should not be a case that is tried in the public's domain. Yes, we appreciate the fact that there is public interest in the matter and persons ought to be aware of or are interested in knowing what is happening, but ultimately it's a matter for the court.